Heat maps in GIS, Geographic Information Systems, represent data values as colors on a map, indicating the density or concentration of a particular phenomenon such as groundwater concentration. They visually represent spatial patterns, making it easier to identify hotspots and trends within the data. Mapping groundwater concentration using heat maps offers several benefits: visual clarity, spatial patterns, communication, resource allocation, predictive modeling. Let us see how to create this map in MAPOG Map Analysis. Open Map Analysis. Click on Add Upload, Add Vector File. Upload the shapefiles containing points of groundwater. The data used here is just for demonstration purposes only. Actual data may vary. From Style Data, click on Heat Maps. Select the layer. Change the opacity and radius of heat maps. Choose the attribute of groundwater concentration. Click Save Style. A simple and interactive heat map of groundwater concentration will be created. The bluish color shows areas with less groundwater, and the pinkish colors show the areas with greater groundwater concentration respectively. And do not forget to rename your maps. Do this by clicking the edit icon on the top left and giving it a name. The analysis of groundwater concentration using heat maps enables efficient identification of water-rich hotspots and informs targeted remediation strategies, ultimately safeguarding water quality and public health. Thanks for watching. For any queries, reach out to us at support@mapog.com.